As temperature rises, it's becoming harder for people to follow the fairly relaxed lockdown rules in Britain. The social aspect of being kept away from family, friends and their own neighbourhoods can have a negative impact on some people.
I think this partly depends on how we frame the message. So I think when people hear that they're being told to stay in, then that takes away their freedom of choice, that takes away their autonomy. And one of the things that motivates us most to act is autonomy. When it's restricted, people will push back. Yeah.
A farmer's market in West London is smaller than usual, but still attracts customers. Some are glad to have an opportunity to meet others socially.
But it's only been 2.5, 3 weeks so far, so it's still a bit of a novelty, and it's rather fun that we can, well, not fun, but you can chat to neighbours, and it's a bit of a novelty, as I say.
Do you think that it does affect people's well-being? Has it affected your well-being?
Not yet, but it will do if it goes on, I think, yes.
It's just this balance between kind of health and life and versus the kind of in the short term or medium term having to deal with the impact emotionally.
I think it definitely has an impact on like mental well-being. Like obviously you love the people you live in usually, but it does get a bit stressful. I feel like when you spend so much time with someone, you do get a bit stressed out.
Some physicians are reporting a spike in levels of depression and of people feeling anxious. Those concerns are likely to increase again, especially if the government extends the period of social distancing.
By Easter Monday, the UK lockdown will have been in place for 3 weeks. People are instructed to stay home unless they're shopping, exercising or doing a job that can't be done at home. Many, most even, will dread should this period be extended, but it means, of course, that the fight against the virus continues.
People's sense of well-being can be easier depending where you live and the income of your household. Lockdown in more affluent areas may be easier, but isolation can affect many people. Yolo Ap David, CGTN, West London.